one of them that y'all made a lot of money off of, one of the times.
Oh, the.
I made a lot of money off of it.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're full of time.
Well,
This guy was running around with this farmer's wagon. And so they were in the house and they heard the wagon coming up the gravel road and said, well, that's my husband. Says, I'm gonna hide you someplace. And says, where? So she took some blankets and things out of this cedar chest and says, you'll have to get in here. So the guy came in, you know, and looked and saw all these blankets over there and knew it was something squirrely. So he went over and locked the chest. There was a lock on it. Then he went to the door and says, fire, fire, fire. And this muffled voice said, tote the big chest out, tote the big chest out.
So, part 2 of that is,
Oh,
there was a radio show, there was these DJs in Dallas, and they had this morning radio show. And, I'm trying to think of their name, I'm blanking out on their name, but anyway, but they would have a weekly contest for the best joke. And, then they would have, you could enter, and then if you won that weekly, you were entered in the monthly, and, could maybe win a big prize. So Steve and I wrote, we wrote up the joke, using the characters that they, use on their show. But anyway, we turned that joke into, the radio station, and they read it. It won for the week, got big laughs, and then it won for the month, and we won $2,000. So, 30 years ago, y'all, $2,000 was a lot of money.
That's a lot of money now.
Yeah. So we used that money and we went to Europe on Grandma's joke. On the joke story.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.
I remember you turned it in, but I forgot about the $2,000.
Oh, I'll tell you what it was. I'm not telling that right, y'all. We won a stereo system. That's what it was. We won a $2,000 stereo system. And we didn't need that because Steve had all this music, all this stuff. And so we sold it brand new and got $2,000 for it.
Oh,
So, because I was thinking, wait a minute, I didn't get cash. We got a stereo system, but it turned into cash.
And he was hanging on.
oh,
That's not the beginning.